바른 가르침으로 저희들을 일깨워 주셔서 감사드립니다.
There are signs that COVID-19 is about to reemerge in various regions. The number of confirmed cases per day has also exceeded the three-digit number. Can you please teach us what we are doing wrong in the situation and why signs of COVID-19's reemergence are showing up again?
스승님의 바른 가르침 청합니다.
지금 이럴 때는 어디 돌아다니면서
Nature is saying that you should not just go around outside at this time. It's not the time to go everywhere you want, but go only to the places you need. Just do what is necessary and study what you lack. Go only to where you need to go. If you wonder to yourself, should we go somewhere because it's hot? Should we go to the beach and swim?
내가 해수욕장에 가야 되고
If you have to go to the beach with your family, then go.
가볼까?
But if you wonder, shall we go? Then don't
어떻게
go.
하는 것이 정의고 어떻게 하는
We need to know how to discern between the righteous way of thinking and thinking for personal reasons. If you act for personal reasons, then you'll be entangled in impurity. I have said this before. Impurity exists below 50% and righteousness prevails above 50%. If your thinking is for personal reasons, then you will go and play in an impure environment. Then you will be stained with impure energy, and that includes the virus. If you act with thoughts of righteousness, then viruses can never invade you.
요거 기준.
This is the rule.
왜 코로나가 멈추려 하다가
Why
다시
does
시작하고
COVID-19
멈추려다가
seem
다시
to be going
시작하다가
away,
이
then
이야기를
surges
다시
again,
해봐요.
then stops, then again comes back? After listening to this, think carefully and introspect. Your thought processes when you do
왜
things are too
교회에서
weak.
자꾸 일어날까요?
Why does it keep happening in the
교회에서
church?
집에서 좀 쉬면서
The church can
공부하라
tell the
해도
congregation to take a break at home and study there. But they say, come to
왜
church.
나오래?
Why?
흥흥거려야
It's
돼.
because they have to collect the offering.
교회 굶어 죽는답니다.
The church says that they are starving to death.
교회가 왜 굶어
The
죽냐?
church is not starving to death.
오늘 아무도
Even
신부들이
if the
안
churchgoers
왔으면
didn't come on
왜
Sunday,
라면이 없냐?
the
쌀이
clergy
없냐?
can still eat ramen or rice. Why would they starve?
어디든지 상납해야
If
될
the
걸
clergy
원한다,
doesn't
돈이
have
없다.
money to pay the
이런
church
얘기해야
institution,
됩니다.
then it
상납만
makes
하면
sense. What's the big deal if they don't pay?
우리 종단에 얼마씩
It
요구해야
means
되는데
that
안
they
들어간다.
cannot
이거
pay their
신고
religious
안 오니까.
organization
그래갖고
because
오니까
churchgoers are not coming in.
해라. 그럼 위에서
If
못
this is the
받는다.
case, then be honest and tell the congregation. Then the higher ups in the organization wouldn't force them to pay. And tell the congregation not to come. They should say, read the Bible at home and pray for thanks and sleep well. Why tell them to come?
모이는 게 쓸데없이
If
모이면
people gather uselessly, impure energy comes in.
우리가 노력을 하기
If
위해서
you are
온다.
gathering to make an effort for a cause, the impure energy can come in.
우리가 노력하는 때는 신이 지켜줘.
God and all the forces of nature protect people who make efforts.
하지만 쓸데없이 모이는
But
때는
God
신이
doesn't
지켜주지
protect
않아.
those who gather without
그래서
reason.
바이러스고
So viruses and impure energy enter.
걱정하지 마세요.
If you think rightly and try to live that way, don't worry.
그런데 너무 걱정하지만 만일의 바이러스가
Even if you contract the virus, you can get through it.
헤쳐나갈 수 있습니다. 겁내지 마라. 바이러스에
Don't be scared. Don't be afraid of the virus. Raise yourself up and build up your immune system. Your immune system will not increase by taking medicine or eating red ginseng. Learn just one good life lesson to increase your soul energy.
이게 면역성이에요.
That is how to improve your immune system. If you think pleasant things, the virus can never infect you.
내 생각은 게 우울하고
If your thoughts are depressing and greedy, you hang out in places where greedy people and viruses are. So you go there and contract the virus.
그래서 같이 묻히고 돌아다니는 거예요. 내 자신을 밝혀라.
Purify yourself.
절대 탁한 것을
Then
보지 마라.
impure things can never contaminate
탁한
you.
귀신은 절대 몰아.
Even impure ghosts
내
cannot
자신을
bother
밝혀.
you.
귀신 뛰는 거
Purify
들지 마.
yourself. Don't try to expel the ghost. Realize that a ghost is haunting you because you are living an impure life. If you drive out one ghost, another ghost will come to take its place. When you are purified, the ghost will never be able to haunt you. It would have to leave you. Develop yourself step by step and increase your quality of energy. Raising the quality of your energy means increasing your soul's energy, not the mass of your body. We eat food in order to use our bodies while maintaining them well, utilizing the energy of a physical substance. We acquire knowledge and the truth to nourish our soul's energy. Only when soul energy is full can it manage the physical body as well. You need to have your soul's inner power to make use of people around you, utilize the environment and nature's power. That's why it is called our daily bread. Daily nourishment is not bread or rice. The term our daily bread has been misinterpreted by humanity up to now. Our daily bread is the food for our souls. Rice, bread, and sustenances are called food that supports our bodies. You don't need to be thankful to God for these. You should be grateful to God for providing relationships with people that supply your daily nourishment. It fills your knowledge one by one. So that is why you should be thankful to God every day. This is how to show true gratitude to God. You need to know what true gratitude is to God. Don't pray, God, do this for me. The time has passed. This is the difference between Sancheon and Hucheon periods. The Great Law era is different from the era when the wrong ways flourished. Post-2013 ushers in the era of Supreme Law. Hongik-ingans have finished their preparations and now need to start living as Hongik-ingans. The era of Supreme Law now begins. That's why I entered society to teach the Supreme Law. I have explained everything about daily life using the Supreme Law. So live well with these principles of daily living. The way or the truth is found in your daily life. The way to live brilliantly is given to you every day. Anyone who understands this principle correctly and abides by it diligently can eliminate all their hardship. When our life is joyful, even difficult work is not so hard. If you are not enjoying your life and feel unsure because you are working with uncertainty, your body suffers from stress. Why? Because you don't know. If you live with the right knowledge and are joyful, you will have 7 times the strength to overcome whatever you do so that you won't feel difficult. We are preparing little by little to live a joyful life in the future. So don't worry about the virus. It is not going away just because you worry about it. This virus will stop when we laugh and live well in harmony. So don't be afraid of the virus and think that you are forced to quarantine. Study your life lessons while staying put at home. If your quality of energy is insufficient, a virus will definitely come to you. This virus goes around in mysterious ways. So while enjoying life, recite the 4 ethics of Hongik action every now and then. Then impure energy that was coming to you will keep away. Don't be afraid and enjoy life.